Give second day hair a second chance. More like fifth day hair. So I just did a workout. As you can see, I mean, I still even have my headband. This is day 5 hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I touch it up so that it can last a whole week. So yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. This video is sponsored by Sephora, so thank you so much, Sephora, for sponsoring this video. I buy probably most of my hair care products from Sephora. I love buying makeup, skincare from there, of course hair care, hair tools, and I love using my points. So if you're not a Beauty Insider member, you have to sign up. It is completely free, and you start to add points up after each purchase so that eventually you can redeem it and get little like samples, products to try out. And the more points you have, the better, because I've even gotten like money off of my total purchase. When you're able to get $20 off of a purchase, it really does help. I love it. So definitely sign up to become a Sephora Beauty Insider member. I'll be putting the link down below in the description box. And let's move on to the tutorial. So I always like to start with a leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is from Adwoa Beauty. I actually love this brand. This really caught my eye. This is the Adwoa Beauty Melonberry Hair Milk Leave-in Conditioner. And I don't know if you guys can see those like little red beads in there. So I'm just gonna divide my hair right in the middle, and don't judge me because I know you've been in this position before and you just don't feel like washing your hair. It is just not the day. It's not the day for me to wash my hair. I have so much going on and I just don't have the time today to do that. And if you have curly hair like me, you know that this process is very long. Blowing out your hair is just like a very long process. It at least takes me 2 hours, sometimes more. So being able to touch it up is key, and knowing how to do that so that your hair doesn't look weighed down, it still looks pretty fresh. It's very important. You guys will see the final look, but as you can see, I have some waves coming through. So I'm going to use this spray just to add moisture to my hair, make it smell better. And then I'm going to use a blow dry brush just to smooth it out. So I just apply a little bit, mainly to my roots. This actually smells like candy. Wow. And right away, I'm going to go in with my blow dry brush with the Dyson Airwrap Quantum 2X, and I'm just going to start smoothing down these roots. My hair already feels so much better. This leave-in conditioner is so moisturizing. I really love it. Adwoa Beauty always surprises me with their products. Like, they are just so good for curly hair. I really love them. It just looks so soft. It looks so shiny. It just looks way better. It feels way better. I'm gonna divide my bangs and clip that away, and I'm gonna do the same to these sections right here. As you can see, the bottom sections are also way smoother, and my hair just looks more straight now instead of like all wavy like the top section. So again, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this leave-in conditioner. A little bit goes a long way, by the way. You don't have to add a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep smoothing out my hair. Now we're gonna move on to this product. This is new, and you guys know I love Mane products. I actually use this texturizing spray so much. This is the Cotton Candy Dry Texturizer, and I actually wanted to try this one. This is the new Mane Fresh Fluff. This is a dry shampoo foam. So of course I had to use it today. And I'll probably use this later because I just really like this stuff. So you have to shake well and then apply to your palms. Okay, I already put some of this on my hands, and yeah, I was actually filming a TikTok and I think I went a little bit overboard, and this is maybe a little bit too much. So I think I might take some off. We're just gonna apply this very slowly. My hair is starting to get a little bit wet. Wow, this is really gonna actually make my hair feel super clean. Compared to like other dry shampoos that are more like a powder, I think this is really gonna help really clean the scalp. So now I'm just gonna get right into drying the hair. Yeah, this hair product is actually so impressive. My roots look so clean. There's no dandruff, nothing. Like, it doesn't even look oily at all. My scalp was so oily, and the volume, like, this also gives you volume. I love it. And I still have to curl my hair, so don't mind the rest of my hair, but like the roots, the top, like the bangs look really nice. My hair feels super clean. I really thought this was gonna like ruin my blowout because it does turn into like a wet product, and you guys know when I do a blowout, I don't like to apply more wet product to my hair because it just kind of like wets my hair and it brings out the natural texture, so it's a little bit like harder to smooth it out, I feel like. But this worked super well. Like, I actually really like this product. Like, wow, loving it. Okay, now I'm gonna add some curls. So I'm gonna use the curling barrels from the Dyson, And what I like to do with the front section is also, again, divide the front, curl it away from my face, and then clip. And I'll probably clip all the curls anyways, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the top section. I like to divide it into two. As you can see, you get a little curl. I'm gonna just kind of like put it back for now because I'm gonna clip it with this section. So now I'm gonna do this section right here. Okay, so I mean, you guys can see the volume already that I'm getting. So I'm gonna finish curling the rest of my hair and I'll be back with the final look, or actually with like one more step and then the final look. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am all done curling my hair and now I'm gonna add a little bit of texture spray. Again, this is from Maine. This is the Cotton Candy Dry Texturizer. So I'm just gonna apply this to all my hair. Not a ton, but that's more than enough. Now I'm gonna let this set for a little bit and I'll be right back. All right, I'm taking off the clips. You guys, my hair feels so soft and the curls are like so bouncy and it really feels like day one hair. Like, do you guys see this bounce? Wow. All right, last one. You know what? I want to add a little tiny bit of oil. I'm gonna add this one from Bread Beauty, just a little tiny bit, and only on the ends. Like, I don't want to add too much. What I like about this oil, I mean, I've had this one for so long now. As you can see, a little bit goes such a long way with this. It's like a pretty thick oil. So if you like to leave your hair natural, this is really good on natural curls as well. But this is like a little bit thicker. So all you have to do is add a couple of drops and you're good to go. It also smells so good. And then I'm just gonna add this to the ends, just the ends, because we don't want to add more oil to the roots because, you know, my hair's already pretty dirty even though it doesn't feel like it. My hair feels so good and it's so touchable. It feels so lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Okay, I'm obsessed with the final look. Like, these products are so good. I do want to add just a little final touch because I did get this at Sephora and I wanted to try it with you guys. It's from OUAI, and you know that everything from OUAI and from Maine is going to smell good. This is the new scent Ibiza, and you guys, I'm just gonna spray this everywhere because I just feel like going out now, and now my hair smells even better. Fun fact, I'm leaving to the Dominican Republic in 2 days and I'm definitely packing this with me because this smells like the beach. This smells so good. But now I feel like I am officially ready to go. Now I have to go out and grab something to eat or something because I cannot just stay home after I did my hair like this. It looks like if I just went to a beauty salon, and I smell amazing. So you already know I have to go out with my husband now or do something because, yeah, the hair is giving. And this is day 5 hair. And I did a workout today and yesterday. So you already know the roots were very oily, very sweaty. And you can't even tell. You really can't even tell. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you again, Sephora, for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love Sephora, so I'm so excited to be partnering with them in this video today. And if you want to buy any of the products that I used today, definitely check them out. I'm going to be linking them down below in the description box. And also sign up to become a Beauty Insider member. It is so worth it, and it's free, so you can just add up points, can redeem your points, and you get so many fun goodies to try out and other very cool perks. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much.